Now that I've got the stops out, all except for this piece right here, I'm going to go ahead and leave that for now. I'm going to go ahead and start taking this top sash out. And it's stuck in there pretty good over from all the paint and such over the years. So what you can do, now that the top stop is out, you just take and get your pry bar up to here, tap it in, pry down. Now that we've got it at this point here, we can go ahead and remove this top sash. Just grab it by the side. There we go. Now that it's down below the pulleys, we can go ahead and remove it. Now that I've got the top sash lowered down, it's resting on this stool. We don't have to worry about it going anywhere or falling out of place. You go ahead and give these ropes a cut, and that releases the weight. The weight just dropped down inside the frame. And now you want to go ahead and do it to the other side. You want to go ahead and you want to cut that rope and let it drop. Then you can finish removing the sash. Now that we got the upper and lower sashes out, I'm going to go ahead and finish removing this parting stop.